Hi there, how you doing? Well, I'm about to put together the left fork leg, the one with the brake on it. So I've polished up the lower fork legs. There you go. I'm pretty happy with the way these turned out. They're looking good. With these done, I have my new kit. Have all new parts. The old one, I still have to take these pieces off. So I'm going to video the whole thing. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to install the new pieces and everything. Put this fork leg together. Get some oil in it. And yeah, then it'll be ready to install on the bike. I'm just getting ready to put the fork legs back in the triple trees here, and I just thought I'd show you some of the detail or one of the things I'm doing. I'm using a lot of pike nuts, is what they're called by Colony Machine. To show you what I'm doing, you can see on this side I've installed a pike nut here. This is going to be used to tighten down this clamp. So all I've done is I went to my local bolt supply place, bought 3/8 16 grade 8 threaded rod, got the pike nuts 3/8 national course from Lowbrow, spin that on there. I ordered up some nice chrome washers, small diameter, tight fit on the threaded rod. And then it's just a matter of twisting that in. What I'll probably do on the final assembly is I'll run some Loctite, not on the triple tree, because the pressure from this should keep this from wanting to come loose. But on the pike nut to the threaded rod, I'll put some red Loctite on there to keep that nice and secure. But anyway, that's how I'm doing those. I'm doing quite a few things that way. Just either stainless steel, depending on how much torque's going to be on it and stuff. Stainless steel threaded rod, because it looks good. Or the grade 8 threaded rod, and where that's exposed on the bike, it still looks pretty good because it has that brass kind of look to it. Yeah, should be good. Just wanted to show you what I was doing there. I'm going to get these fork legs in.